Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your job is gone. Not because your boss fired you, not because the company collapsed, but because an AI tool now does it faster, cheaper, and better. This is happening right now in 2025. Artificial intelligence has reached a level where millions of jobs are being replaced. But here's the twist. While some people panic, others are using these very same tools to build businesses, make money, and stay ahead. Today, you're going to discover 5 powerful AI tools that are already replacing human jobs, and more importantly, how you can use them to your advantage. Stay until the end because the 5th tool is so powerful it can literally build a business for you while you sleep. The first tool is ChatGPT and other advanced writing assistants like Jasper and Claude. These tools are revolutionizing industries that rely on words. Companies no longer need large customer support teams. Chatbots can handle thousands of requests 24/7 without fatigue. Marketing teams don't need to brainstorm endlessly. AI can generate ad copy, blog posts, or even books in seconds. Journalists, copywriters, and call center agents are already being replaced. But here's the opportunity. Freelancers are making money by using ChatGPT to create content faster than ever. Imagine charging $500 for a blog post that takes 20 minutes to draft. People are building newsletters, writing books, and creating YouTube scripts entirely with AI. The threat is real, but so is the chance to profit. The second tool is Midjourney, along with other AI image generators like DALL and Stable Diffusion. These tools are shaking up graphic design, illustration, and photography. Need a logo? Done in seconds. Need a professional marketing visual? Generate dozens instantly. Photographers and designers are seeing demand shrink because companies can now generate custom visuals without hiring anyone. But once again, those who adapt are winning. Sellers are making thousands each month by creating AI art for Etsy, designing t-shirts, or offering AI-based design services online. One person reportedly made over $10,000 in a single month selling AI wall art. The key is not fighting the change, it's learning to use it before everyone else does. The third tool is AI voice and video generation. Platforms like Eleven Labs, Synthesia, and Pictory are replacing voiceover artists, actors, and even presenters. With a few clicks, you can generate a professional voiceover in any accent, in any language, without ever recording your voice. AI avatars can deliver presentations, tutorials, or even YouTube content without a camera. Companies are already replacing human narrators and presenters with AI, saving thousands of dollars. But creators who adapt are building faceless YouTube channels, monetized TikToks, and online courses using nothing but AI voices and avatars. One YouTuber is said to earn $5,000 a month using AI narration paired with stock footage. It's not about losing jobs, it's about creating new ones with fewer barriers. The fourth tool is AI in finance. Trading bots, budgeting apps, and AI-driven analysis tools are changing the world of money. Hedge funds and big investors already use AI to make split-second trading decisions. Accountants are being replaced by apps that can manage books automatically. Financial analysts are competing with machines that can process billions of data points instantly. But the opportunities are massive. Small investors are using AI to trade smarter. Everyday people are using budgeting apps that act like personal advisors. Traders automating most of their portfolio decisions with AI are seeing higher returns than ever before. The future of wealth is no longer about who has the most experience, it's about who uses AI to make smarter financial decisions. Finally, the fifth and most powerful tool is autonomous AI agents like AutoGPT, Devin, and Bab Yagi. Unlike regular chatbots, these agents can think in steps, make plans, and carry out tasks on their own. You can tell them to build you a website, create content, launch ads, and manage sales, and they will execute most of the process with little supervision. Devin, the AI software engineer, can write, debug, and deploy code better than many human developers. AutoGPT can run research, draft reports, and carry out marketing strategies on autopilot. Entrepreneurs are already using these agents to launch dropshipping businesses, affiliate sites, and content platforms in days instead of months. Jobs like software engineering, project management, and even business ownership are being transformed. Why hire a team when an AI can do the work for pennies? So, what does this all mean? We just explored 5 AI tools that are replacing jobs in 2025. ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, Eleven Labs, and Synthesia for voices and videos, finance bots for money management, and autonomous agents that can build entire businesses. The world is changing faster than most people realize. Writing, design, voice, finance, and business management AI can do them all. But here's the truth. AI itself is not the enemy. The real danger is ignoring it. You can either let AI replace you, or you can use AI to get ahead of everyone else. Those who resist will be left behind. Those who adapt will thrive. So here's my challenge. Choose one AI tool today. Just one. Use ChatGPT to write your first blog. Use Midjourney to create a design. Try Eleven Labs to make a voiceover. Test a finance bot with a small budget. Experiment with an autonomous agent and see how far it can go. The winners of the future are not the most educated or the most talented. They are the ones who know how to harness AI better than anyone else. Jobs are not disappearing, they're transforming. The only question is, will you transform with them, or will you be replaced by those who do? If you found this eye-opening, smash the like button, subscribe for more Future of Money content, and share this with a friend before it's too late. The future is not waiting. It's already here. The question is, are you ready to use it?